We live in a universe where stars seem to last for billions of years, steadfast beacons among swirling planets and asteroids. Most people assume that stars, especially those at the heart of their systems, are too massive and stable to be easily disturbed. Surely, nothing within their core could suddenly flip the entire fate of planets, moons, and surrounding space. But what if that very assumption is the error? Within the first moments of a star's core collapsing, the structure that held the balance of an entire system is undone. Gravity, which once sculpted perfectly elliptical orbits, is no longer the same force. The star isn't simply vanishing, its mass, distribution, and energy output change in an instant. Think about the sun. If its core collapsed, its brightness fades, its mass compresses, and the gravity holding Earth and every other planet might shift or unravel altogether. So, what triggers a star's core to collapse? In massive stars, after millions of years fusing hydrogen and then heavier elements, a tipping point is reached. Fusion stalls. The core implodes under its own gravity. Within seconds, matter is crushed into a neutron star or a black hole, releasing shock waves, and in some cases, an explosive supernova. The partial answer. This core collapse transforms the star's gravitational profile, and the shock can blast matter through the entire system. Planets, asteroids, and dust are left vulnerable. Some are flung out, others incinerated, and many simply lose their sun. But there's a deeper instability. Imagine a stable planet, faithfully orbiting its star for eons. When core collapse occurs, not only does the gravity change, but vast amounts of stellar material are ejected outward. This sudden reshaping of mass and energy creates a ripple, space itself convulses. Nearby planets face a new force, or no force at all. Even distant comets and asteroids feel the effects as trajectories begin to twist dramatically. This brings us to a sharper question. Why does every orbit and even the chemistry of surrounding planets change so profoundly instead of simply adjusting to a new star? It's not just the loss of light or heat, it's the complete remapping of the gravitational fabric, all at once. The deeper layer is that a star's gravity isn't static glue. It actively shapes the contours of space-time. When the core collapses, that contour is redrawn. The orbits that once seemed immutable unravel, sometimes sending planets careening into deep space, sometimes drawing them perilously close to newly formed stellar objects. So, to resolve this, a star's core collapse is not a mere internal event. It's a cosmic reset, reshaping that radiates outward, remaking the destiny of everything that once depended on its gravity and warmth. This one violent change cascades through the entire star system, redefining its architecture and future. And if you think this is rare, consider the next instability. What happens if two collapsed stars, like neutron stars, begin their slow spiral toward each other? Their eventual collision releases energies that ripple across galaxies, hinting that no star system's fate is ever truly settled.